The following video explains how to adjust the knob lock from your LG range. Using the knob lock. You can adjust the knob lock on each cooktop knob so you don't have to press the button in to use the knob. Remove and adjust one knob at a time. 1. Make sure the knob is in the off position and pull it straight off the stem. 2. On the back of the knob ring, rotate the black tab to the 2-step or 3-step position. If you slide the tab to the 2-step position, the knob can be used without pressing in the button. If you slide the tab to the 3-step position, you must press in the button to use the knob. For more information, refer to the owner's manual and quick reference guide for the appliance.